Hello and welcome to the session. This session focuses on learning outcome 1. Be able to analyze business objectives to identify potential projects, their feasibility, and the methodology which may be used. Are you ready to dive into the world of project management? This video explores the essential components from business objectives to project methodologies. Discover how effective project management can transform business goals into reality. Understanding business needs is the first step. Review operations, procedures, and market analysis. Strategic and operational plans guide the project identification. Vision and mission statements provide direction. These elements form the foundation for potential projects. Identifying potential projects involves criteria for selection. Cost-benefit analysis is crucial. Feasibility includes risk management and impact analysis. Consider globalization's impact on projects. Evaluate cross-country and cultural project advantages. Project management leads teams to achieve goals. It involves scope, time, and budget constraints. Optimizing inputs to meet objectives is key. Project management shapes client objectives. It influences decision-making across project teams. Define why a project is necessary. Capture requirements and estimate resources. Justify investment with a business case. Develop a management plan and lead the team. Manage risks, budget, and stakeholder communication. Projects exist within a broader environment. Stakeholders and organizational strategy impact projects. The interface between project processes and the environment is crucial. Internal stakeholders include sponsors and project teams. External stakeholders range from the public to competitors. Project appraisal reviews and evaluates project content. It analyzes problems and generates solution options. Feasibility analysis determines cost-effectiveness. Appraisal justifies the project before planning. It's essential for informed decision-making. Results-oriented appraisal focuses on risks and impacts. It aligns results with project goals. Financial appraisal assesses funding justification. Cost-benefit analysis compares resources and benefits. Projects with favorable ratios are prioritized. Traditional methodologies suit sequential projects. They emphasize linear processes and upfront planning. Benefits include defined objectives and accountability. The waterfall model follows a step-by-step approach. It's ideal for projects with clear guidelines. Agile methodologies offer iterative project management. They adapt to changes and provide tangible results. Agile involves strong team communication and collaboration. Scrum and Kanban are popular Agile frameworks. They suit fast-paced, dynamic projects. Change management handles project changes effectively. It prevents chaos with structured approaches. Event chain methodology focuses on project events. Extreme project management is people-driven. It adapts to changing project needs. Rational unified process suits software development. Program evaluation technique estimates task duration. PMBOK provides a structured management approach. It covers time, resources, and risk management. These methodologies offer diverse project solutions. A feasibility study assesses project practicality. It analyzes technical, economic, and operational factors. The study is crucial after the business case. It determines project feasibility and potential ROI. Feasibility studies guide informed project decisions. Technical feasibility evaluates technology soundness. Mature technologies reduce project risks. Emerging technologies require careful consideration. Assess technology impact on project success. Ensure technology aligns with project goals. Financial feasibility assesses resource investment. Cost-benefit analysis evaluates project worth. Compare project costs with potential rewards. Prioritize projects with favorable cost-benefit ratios. Financial feasibility guides resource allocation decisions. Risk and uncertainty are inherent in projects. Identify risks and assess their probability. Uncertainty arises from data validity doubts. Manage risks with informed decision-making. Understanding risk helps mitigate potential project issues. Choose a methodology based on project needs. Case studies provide practical insights. Evaluate methodologies through real-world examples. Justify chosen methods with project requirements. Methodology choice impacts project success. Projects align with business objectives. Analyze project impact on company goals. Case studies illustrate project contributions. Projects drive change and achieve objectives. Effective management ensures alignment with business aims. Traditional methodologies suit structured projects. Agile offers flexibility and adaptability. Choose based on project complexity and requirements. Both have unique strengths and applications. Understanding differences aids in methodology selection. Project success depends on meeting objectives. Evaluate through deliverables and stakeholder satisfaction. Methodology impacts project outcomes. Continuous assessment ensures alignment with goals. Success is measured by tangible project benefits. Projects face various challenges and uncertainties. Adapt strategies to overcome obstacles. Continuous learning and flexibility are crucial. Effective communication resolves project issues. Adapting ensures project success and goal achievement. In conclusion, analyzing business objectives is a crucial step in identifying potential projects and assessing their feasibility. By aligning projects with organizational goals, managers can determine their value, viability, and expected outcomes. Evaluating feasibility and selecting appropriate project management methodologies helps ensure efficient planning, resource use, and risk management. Understanding this process supports informed decision-making and increases the likelihood of successful project delivery. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.